Hey guys, so here is the Google Nexus HSPA review. Now as you can see here, the phone is actually pretty nice. Cameras in the corner, big screen. The glare off of it is actually decent. I mean, the top of it, it is kind of extreme, but then the actual like the screen part of it, fantastic compared to other devices on the market. So basically, in early 2010, the Nexus 1 became the yardstick for all future Android handsets. And this is actually a very good point to make. Usually, whatever Google releases, it tends to become the standard for what other manufacturers have to produce. So yeah, it's kind of significant. Here's some pictures of it. You can go check that out. Hardware wise, it is actually a very nice phone. There's the LTE version, and then there's the HSPA Plus version, which is this one. Actually quite significant. So yeah, this phone does have a Super AMOLED display, which is very nice. That can, look at this screen quality. That's a pretty nice screen right there. Right here, if you zoom in, you can see I'll zoom is this light sensor. The headphones up here, well, not the headphones, the speaker does look nice, elegant, blends in quite well. Battery also very nice. You can take that out, replace it. The SIM card, that SIM card looks like a normal SIM card, like a standard SIM card, not like the new micro SIM cards, which is actually a very nice thing. Frankly, I think it's kind of sad to see how some manufacturers are creating micro SIM cards for their phones. I think all phones should use like the normal SIM card, because frankly, it's not that much space they're using. It's so thin. It's like 0.1 millimeters. So like it's like thinner than paper. So I don't know why everyone's going with micro SIM card. It's not that much space they're saving. But anyways, hardware wise, it does have a dual core 1.4 gigahertz Exynos processor. It has Samsung TouchWiz 4.0, which is I would assume is ice cream sandwich. If you're not sure what that is, I think I made a video about that when it was released. Well, not released, but like, yeah, it was pretty much released, like announced. So I made a video back then. So just search it up and you'll probably find that. So yeah, I think it's actually very nice. Here you can see some comparisons wise. Yeah, so basically here's the Samsung Galaxy Nexus, Samsung Galaxy Note, and the Motorola Droid Razr, and then this HTC Resound. So here you can see the Galaxy. The Galaxy Nexus it's kind of like the low end of this system. I mean, these are like the pretty much the frames per second. So you can see when the person was trying to play Quadrant, you got 2,000, and the other ones you got 3,000. Well, round it up to like 4,000. Round it up to 3,000, and then 2,000. Down to all the way to Netamark 2, you got 24 frames per second. Not applicable, 27 frames per second, and 35 frames per second. So I'm actually this is actually very disappointment, I guess, with the Galaxy Nexus. I mean, like I said, it's usually what Google is like the standard for this. Whatever Google does, every other manufacturer does. So I'm surprised that they're the lowest of the specs. Yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm actually very disappointed in that end. Yeah, so I'm very disappointed, I guess. Camera wise, does look like a really nice camera. Here it says 28. Where was it? 20. It has 28 hours of battery. So at least that's pretty decent. Up here somewhere. Supports 1080p. Very nice. Seriously, I don't think you understand. You probably can. Oh, I'm not sure if you can tell this, but this is actually a very nice device. I mean, that's so like high res right there. That's pretty fantastic. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The full link will be in the description below, so you can check that. So anyways, comment, rate, and subscribe.